Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad K. Sangma, haga sngewbha jong katayo kata haga khandai tarik ubnai rempang Hajar arpuar, ulhayar sya West Jingmyntoi Hills District na kebantaban peli, bat ban bu yau mau Nongrim na kebantaban Shnaya ke Dairy Complex, haga Shnong Mukhla, haga balai don lang UMLA kata nyuba wailat shela, lembat kiwei. Ia kene ke Dairy Complex lapan mang hak jenglut ke bak khandai kelur tengka, ia ke balabai tengka ada ke National Program for Dairy Development na ke Sorkar Pedang. Menteri Rangba ulong ba ia ke tege projek on pendep bank hapok kapor ke balabu ban pendep, kenang bukan long ke Jingmyntoi na ke menta jong kipat ba. Ke balong ru ke jeng aikam ajam ya ki Hajar Ngut ki Nongri Jingri na ki kenhun baper.
As you're aware that as a government we have been trying to take the state forward in different sectors. We have been ensuring that the different infrastructure projects that were very important for the people, we have tried to push those projects forward. Different kind of social sectors like education and health, we have been working very hard to ensure that the facilities improve and more facilities are created. And at the same time, we have also worked towards ensuring that livelihood is created through new means and new avenues, especially for our younger generation. Based on the population trend that we are seeing in our state, we expect that 50,000 youths will join the workforce every year, which simply means that we need to create 50,000 new jobs every year for our youth. And that is a huge challenge. And realizing this challenge and the growth in the youth population, the government has started to embark on different ways of creating livelihood. Whether it is the agriculture sector, whether it's the animal husbandry sector, whether it's the tourism sector, or other service sectors like the IT sector. We realize that government jobs can be created in a limited manner, but it is only through entrepreneurship, it is only through different self-help group movements, different cooperative movements, will we be able to create the livelihood that is required for the people. 12 lakh liters of milk per month is what our production right now is. But at the same time, our consumption on an annual level is over 200 lakh liters. So therefore, there is a huge gap in the production and the consumption in terms of milk in our state. And therefore, we see a great opportunity in this. And at the same time, we have seen that the opportunity that exists is over 675 crores worth of milk production can take place. And if this does take place, then 675 crores of money will go to the different cooperatives, different farmers, and different businesses that are involved in the dairy sector simply by meeting the consumption requirement of our own state. And that is why this project is one of the parts in the process to create that livelihood, to ensure that we shorten the gap between the demand and supply, and in the whole process create value for our farmers and the cooperative societies. This center itself will benefit over 2,000 farmers, mostly women, and we expect that this place alone can give a production of close to 150,000 liters, and that is approximately 60 crores of revenue per month.